Hey everyone! Today we're looking at what might be the most important electric car of 2025, the all-new Kia EV3. Now I know what you're thinking, another electric crossover? But stick with me, because this one's different. This could be the breakthrough EV that finally makes sense for regular buyers. Let's start with the looks, because Kia absolutely nailed it. Imagine taking the already stunning EV9 and shrinking it down into a compact package. The result? A head-turning crossover that manages to look both futuristic and totally approachable. Those sharp LED lights, the clean body lines, and those awesome color options like frost blue, it all just works. Now let's talk performance. The EV3 comes with a front-mounted electric motor pushing out 201 horsepower, 0 to 60, about 7.5 seconds. Okay, it's not going to win any drag races, but that instant electric torque makes it feel peppy around town. And while some might complain about it being front-wheel drive only at launch, all-wheel drive versions are coming later. But here's the real game changer, the range. Kia's targeting around 300 miles with the bigger 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack. That's Tesla territory, folks. Even the smaller 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery should hit about 270 miles. During our test drive in Seoul, we were seeing efficiency numbers between 3.6 and 3.8 miles per kilowatt hour. That's seriously impressive. But here's where things get really interesting. Step inside, and you'll find yourself wondering if you accidentally got into a luxury car. The massive 30-inch widescreen display dominates the dashboard, running the same premium software as Kia's flagship EV9. Sure, there are some hard plastics, but they feel high quality. Trust me, this interior puts some luxury brands to shame. Let's address the elephant in the room, charging speeds. The EV3 uses a 400-volt architecture, which means DC fast charging tops out at 128 kilowatt. That'll get you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Not the fastest, but hey, this is meant to be an affordable EV, and those numbers are totally workable for most people. Speaking of tech, Kia's new iPedal 3.0 system is a game changer. It offers the most customizable one-pedal driving experience I've ever tested. The head-up display is crystal clear, and all the driver assistance features work beautifully. This doesn't feel like a budget car at all. Space-wise, you're looking at 16.2 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, expanding to 44 cubic feet when folded. That's decent, though not class-leading. Passenger space is surprisingly good, although taller drivers might find the footwell a bit tight. Now for the million-dollar question, or should I say, $30,000 question. While official pricing isn't out yet, Kia's targeting the low $30,000 range. At that price point, with this kind of range and features, that's absolutely incredible. The bad news? We'll have to wait until late 2025 or early 2026 to get our hands on it in the States. But from what I've seen, it'll be worth the wait. This could be the EV that finally convinces your neighbor to ditch their gas car. So, what do you think? Has Kia created the perfect affordable EV? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review. Want to see more EV content? Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This has been our first look at the 2025 Kia EV3. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.